Stores and purchase orders, reporting. Parts. In the Store Parts menu, a number of reports are available to provide the users and management with data relating to the movement of inventory. Received by selection. This report lists all parts received by the selected part number. Issued by selection. This report lists all parts issued by the selected part number. Requisitions. This report lists all requisitions of a part by the selected part number and the current status. Purchase orders due. Generates a report of outstanding purchase order items on the selected part number. Orders. In the Store Orders menu, a number of reports are available to provide the users and management with data relating to selected RFQ or purchase order. RFQ Purchase Order Detail. Generates a detailed internal report on the selected RFQ purchase order. RFQ or purchase order. Generates a supplier copy of the selected RFQ purchase order. Link GRV. Generates a report on the GRV entries linked to the selected purchase order. Email to supplier. Generates an attachment and sent via email to supplier. Issue. In the Store Issue menu, a number of reports are available to provide the users and management with data relating to the issue of the selected part number. Part Inventory. Generate a detailed report showing inventory items in stock of the selected store part. Part Issued. Generates a detailed report showing where the selected store part was issued. Task Issue. Generates a detailed report showing parts issued to selected task. Requisition. In the Store Requisition menu, a number of reports are available to provide the users and management with data relating to the requisitions. Open Requisitions. Generates a detailed requisition report on all open requisitions. Task Card. Generates a detailed requisition report for linked requisitions to the selected task card. Part Number. Generates a detailed requisition report for linked requisitions for the selected part. Shipment. In the Store Shipment menu, a number of reports are available to provide the users and management with data relating to requisitions. Selected Document. Generate a report detailing selected documents filtered by the field selection. All open shipments. Generate a report detailing selected GRV. My open shipments. Generate a report listing all my open shipments with linked GRV documents. Parts Groups. In the Store Parts Groups menu, a number of reports are available to provide the users and management with data relating to parts groups. Selected Detail. Generate a report listing of selected group with parts. Summary All. Generate a report listing all groups.